Hello, greetings everyone. Actually, good evening. Before I start, I would like to tell you that, I would like to confess that I'm very wrong with this video thing. So, no, I've never done this thing. So, if my face is not looking good or the camera angle is wrong, I'm really sorry for it. This is how I look. I'm not camera friendly or an eye candy. I apologize for that. So, yes, coming to the point. My name is Rishav Rana, and I'm from the Patna Toastmasters Club. Before I go on to tell you anything further, I hope and I pray that आप सब सही हैं, अपने घर पे हैं, खाना खा रहे हैं अच्छे से, हेल्दी हैं, अपना ध्यान रख रहे हैं और आपके जितने भी परिजन हैं, घर के बड़े हैं, छोटे हैं, वो सब सही हैं, आपके साथ हैं. I think because safety comes first, health comes first. So we at the Patna Toastmasters Club have actually started a campaign sort of a thing that says stay home with PTC. In which we're supposed to give our videos, make little videos with our inputs about what do we feel about it, हमें क्या लगता है, कैसे क्या करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. So this is my bit. So I just have a few things to say. The first thing is, you are damn lucky अगर आप अपने घर में खाना खा के safely बैठे हुए हैं तो. Trust me, more than 70% population of this world, or if not the world, I'm sorry, I think this country has to think about getting proper food. तो अगर इस ग्लोबल पैंडेमिक के वक्त आप अपने घर में हैं, सुरक्षित हैं और अच्छे से हैं, आई थिंक if you're doing good, if you're doing well, if you're healthy, you don't need to think about anything else. Second thing is, all this thing about staying positive in this quarantine, मतलब quarantine क्या है? घर में रहना सिंपल से, घर रहो, हाथ धो, खाना खाओ, खुश रहो. If I go and ask anybody कि भाई साहब आपका क्या प्लान है आज का, so you always have these things कि यार छुट्टी मिल जाती तो ये कर लेते, छुट्टी मिल जाती तो वो कर लेते. अब तो मिल गई छुट्टी, 20 दिन तक, 21 दिन तक, एक्चुअली 40 दिन तक कुछ नहीं करना है. So let go of this thing that you need to feel positive and all these memes where people say कि अरे quarantine day 19 में तो ये होता है and all that shit. It's all shit. Don't worry about it. Like, do your best. आप घर पे हो, आप अपना काम करो. There are a lot of things in your house that need you. I think you can sort a rack, sort your laptop, all those things that you talk about doing in normal days. And trust me, you staying inside will help a lot of other people who are outside. Policemen, safety workers, sanitary workers, a lot of other people who are there, they are banking on you to stay home. So all of us are positive, all of us are really strong that we are sort of learning to fight this pandemic. And things are going pretty well. What we need you to do is to just stay home. And you don't have to feel sorry about it or, anything like that. Just like stay home, it's fine. बोरियत सबको लगती है यार. Even I'm getting bored. I wanted to go out, meet my friends. I wanted to meet my family from the Patna Toastmasters Club, hang out with them and have a talk and have dinners and all that. But ठीक है यार, हर चीज़ की एक कीमत होती है. हमने तो किया नहीं है. किसी और ने किसी देश में चमगादड़ खा लिया, इसमें हमारी क्या गलती थी? So but this thing has come. We need to tackle it very strongly. We need to do something that that we'll remember कि यार हम साथ खड़े थे इस मुसीबत के वक्त. So that is what you need to do. Stop feeling negative. And stop feeling the need to be overtly positive. You're positive in yourself. All of us are doing good. We are very, very positive. All you need to do is to just stay home, feel happy about it, and do your stuff. Read books, listen to music. Watch TV series. I mean, there are people कि अरे यार ये देखना था, अब नहीं देख पाए, अभी मौका है, देख लो. You can do everything and anything you wanted to in this period. You can do your own workout and everything can be done. So I think that is all I've got to say. I'm so sorry if I said something that was wrong because मैं सीधा दिल से बोलने में विश्वास रखता हूँ. Saying all those clingy lines I don't believe in. Have a great time. And yes, if anybody is in need of a conversation or somebody to call, you can call me. I'm free. Thank you so very much and take care. Ta-da. Bye.